Hey, how's it going, awesome humans? Josh Zaring here, just doing a photo walk through the Pennsylvania woods here, near Middle Creek. You can probably hear Middle Creek. So I'm just gonna do some shots, see what happens. It's one of my favorite times to shoot. It's raining a little bit, and it's very foggy. And I like those moody, foggy photos. So I'm gonna see what I can get here. Thanks for checking this out. I'm gonna pick this up and head down to the creek. It's a little foggier, a little mistier than I thought it was, but that's cool because it just means more moodiness to the photo. That's how I look at it. I'm just gonna stop right here. There's a pretty cool shot right here, this opening here. You can see where we are here. Here's the creek. And here's a big money shot right here. A big no money shot, but money shot. This is why I came down here. It's pretty cool. I mean, just look at that. Wow. And that's why I like foggy, rainy days. Just doesn't look like that any other way. It's got this, I don't know, movie-like fantasy quality to it. Alright, it's getting a little too wet for my taste. Should have brought more protective stuff to be able to stay out here, but I didn't. And everything's pretty wet. And only one of these is weather sealed, so I don't want to chance it. See, this guy's weather sealed, so we're good to go. But the Panasonic is not weather sealed, so we're just gonna go ahead and go somewhere where it's dry. Hey, I hope you really enjoyed this video. When it's foggy, it's one of my favorite times to be outside, whether it's landscapes or portraits or pretty much anything. It's just the light is so soft and pleasing that I just can't resist going outside with my camera. So if I could choose one thing for you to get from this video, it's just to grab your camera and get out and take awesome photos. Just keep snapping away. When you go out and even interiors and you photograph every situation and every different type of weather and every different type of lighting, it really just, it gets your gears turning, and then you realize I can take my camera anywhere, anytime, and get awesome photos. And that's what this is all about. That's what photography to me is all about. So don't forget, create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. Please subscribe and tell your friends, and smash that like button. See you next time.